Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is coming from Zadehkicks. As I mentioned from my previous videos, he is a 100% legit, in my opinion. I've done a couple pre-orders from him, and everything always comes out 100%. So let's get to it. So this was a holiday release. So if you actually have patience and you don't need the kicks right away, he definitely has, in my opinion, again, the best prices for pre-orders. But you just have to wait for them to come in, since he does deal with a lot of customers, and he only has a certain amount of team members to actually help him out. So let's get to it. And by the way, this was a under retail pre-order, so definitely worth the wait in my opinion. So here it is. Let's crack this open right here. Sit down. Let's see right here. See, it is an Air Jordan box right here. You got the Jumpman right there. It says Air Jordan up top. The box is slightly different than the previous releases of this model. So size 10.5, Air Jordan 11 Retro. Suggested retail is $220, and colorway is white black Concord. So if you can probably tell by that colorway, these are the Jordan 11 Concord that actually recently released. And again, retail was $220. I didn't pay $220 for this, and this was a pre-order. I paid, if I remember right, $166, and that's shipped. So just to tell you what kind of prices he gives, so if you're not signed up to his newsletter, I suggest you do, because he does give crazy prices on pre-orders, from time to time. So, but here they are. You guys have seen this multiple times from different videos. Again, just showing you the pair I got from Zadehkicks right here. Just a classic shoe, my opinion, right here. And you can't beat under retail for this pair. Again, if you have patience and you can wait for it, definitely hit up Zadehkicks and sign up to his newsletter, because again, you can get new releases for under retail from time to time, especially if you're alerted by his newsletter. So, all right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.